Hey guys, in this video we're gonna look at the new Server 2019 from Microsoft. This is just a preview build, so let's get started. I've already got my virtual machine started here. I'm using VirtualBox, and since it's not listed anywhere here, I'm using 64-bit, the 64-bit mode. So let's hit on next. I'm gonna give these 4 GB. Create a hard disk right now. Yes. A VirtualBox image. Yes. Yeah, I want it to be fixed. And I'm gonna choose my location. A disk here. Let's do this one. And I'm gonna put this as server 19 in the folder there. And save it right there. So 20 GB is not sufficient for Windows, so we're gonna go with 60 right there. Let's go create. 27 seconds remaining. Now I haven't installed this before, so I don't know what's in it or what's new. I know they've added some new features like containers and whatnot, but that was also on Windows 2016, Server 2016. So I'm gonna pause this video and wait for this to do its thing, and then we'll be back. All right, the hard disk is done being created, so let's go to settings here for a second and attach our ISO. So it's under downloads, and where is my ISO? Date modified. Well, can do all files. And date modified. Let's do right here. There you go. Huh. See the details here? Okay. See, how about we try this one? Okay, it doesn't want to work. Let me see the error again. Could not open C medium to the previous standard edition. Not supported media file. Oh, it's over here, guys. Sorry about that. And let's choose a virtual machine, and here we go. ISO next gen. All right, sorry about that. I was clicking on this one instead of this one. So there we go, and let's click start. It's all right. Here we are. VirtualBox is booting up. It's loading up the files. It's similar to 2016 and 2012, so nothing has changed there. Same right there. There is nothing that has changed. Let's hit next. You don't want to repair, we want to install. Setup is starting. Since I don't have a key, and I'm gonna say I don't have a product key, and just like with 2016, you have the standard with desktop experience, and you have standard with just a core. It's just standard is just a core, and the desktop is the GUI. So we want GUI, and since I'm just trying this out, why not go with the data center? Hit next. Accept the end user agreement, and we're gonna go with custom, and this is our disk space. So if we click new, can apply all of it. So hit next. This is gonna be our primary partition, and it's gonna go ahead and copy files. So I'm gonna pause this video till it's done. So our installation is moving on well. Installing updates, finishing up here in just a few seconds. And that might take a little while, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause again. All right, it's done installing updates and it's gonna restart. So I'm just gonna let it restart itself. All right, just rebooting. So far I haven't seen any extreme changes, so it still looks like the same thing. So, but I'll take that, and I'll take that, and I'm not gonna complain. Starting services, getting the device ready, and this can take a while. So let me just pause the video. All right, and now it's time to customize password. Put in something simple for now, since this is just a demonstration. You want to secure your account, by the way. You don't want to put anything easy for people to hack, since this is a server. And don't do this in production. Don't put a simple password on production, because then you get fired. Anyways, let send where is it? I didn't want to do that. I know there is how input keyboard insert control alt delete. Yeah, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. And then enter your password. And so far, I haven't seen any changes, man. I mean, honestly, this is how Windows 2016, Server 2016 boots up and everything. So let's see what's going on here. While it's doing that. Uh, Here for the networks, let me see if I can put this in scale mode switch, and then all right, that might not be visible to you guys, but it's working. So let's look at the local server. Everything so far looks good to me. uh, I mean, I so far so good. I mean, it's not much changes. I guess changes like new security features, which you can store the VMs. I think um, uh, all these are the same features. You would come over here to configure your static IP address. You know, that's the normal things to do. And you enter your IP address here and your DNS over here. I'm not gonna do that. This is just a preview. I'm just wanted to see what's inside the box. So, for some reason, I didn't study up. I was just excited to see this, and I wanted to see what's in there. Um, I mean, there's obviously you can install Linux onto Windows Server now. I haven't figured out how to do that, but as I look at this, you can just add your roles and features just like normal. And every time you add this, is always there. So when you hit next, role-based installation, yeah. I mean, I don't see this is the server, and that's the network it's on. Man, I mean, I guess it's behind. I don't know. Let's just call this as just installing Windows Server 2019 and seeing what's on here. Honestly, this is it. I don't think there's much to it. Uh, so this is data center. Things look the same. I don't see. I mean, there's not much difference between this and Server 2016. I know they added like 5 new features where Linux integration is much way easier. Let's run PowerShell here. See. Well, that's it. Tell me what you think, and leave down comments below. Tell me if you notice anything new that I don't know about. Obviously, I don't know anything because this was just a tryout and showing you how guys to install it. Well, thank you for watching this and have a good one. See you suckers.